The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is the latest addition to Aprilia's sport bike lineup, aimed at bridging the gap between entry-level and mid-tier supersport motorcycles. Designed with young riders and enthusiasts in mind, the RS 457 brings the DNA of its bigger siblings like the RS 660 and RS V4 into a more accessible and lighter-weight package. It's perfect for those seeking premium performance without the intimidation of larger displacement bikes. Exterior: the RS 457 boasts a sharp, aggressive design that screams performance. Its aerodynamic fairings take inspiration from its larger RS family members, featuring sleek LED headlights, sculpted lines, and a sporty tail section. Key exterior highlights include a Sense LED lighting system. Full LED headlights and taillights ensure visibility and a modern aesthetic. A Sense graphics and colors, available in bold color options with race-inspired decals, making it stand out on the road and track. A Sense chassis, lightweight aluminum frame that not only looks stunning but also enhances agility. A Sense wheels and tires, lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in premium sport tires for excellent grip and handling. Interior: rider experience. While motorcycles don't have traditional interiors, the rider experience is a crucial aspect. The RS 457 focuses on ergonomics and rider control. A Sense riding position, sporty but comfortable, offering a balance between aggressive posture and everyday usability. A Sense seat, well padded and slightly narrower to ensure a secure ride for both beginners and experienced riders. A Sense handlebars, clip-ons that provide precise control while maintaining a comfortable wrist angle for longer rides. Performance: the RS 457 is powered by a brand new parallel twin 457cc engine that delivers a fine mix of performance and accessibility. A Sense power output, approximately 47 horsepower, making it A2 license compliant in Europe while offering enough punch for spirited riding. A Sense torque, smooth and linear delivery ensures manageable power for new riders and excitement for seasoned enthusiasts. A Sense top speed, estimated at around 170 km per hour, 105 miles per hour, making it suitable for both street and track use. A Sense weight, with a dry weight of just 159 kilograms, 350 pounds, it's incredibly nimble and easy to handle. A Sense suspension, features a USD upside-down fork at the front and a preload adjustable rear monoshock for precise handling. A Sense brakes, equipped with Vibri brakes, Brembo's subsidiary, with dual-channel ABS for confidence-inspiring stopping power. Technology: Aprilia has ensured that the RS 457 is packed with modern features to appeal to tech-savvy riders. A Sense 5-inch TFT display, full-color display that provides all essential information, including speed, RPM, gear position, and ride modes. A Sense ride modes, multiple modes like rain, street, and sport to tailor the bike's behavior to road conditions and rider preferences. A Sense traction control, adjustable levels of traction control for added safety. A Sense quick shifter, optional, available as an add-on for clutchless upshifts and downshifts. A Sense connectivity, smartphone integration via the Aprilia Mia system, allowing navigation, call alerts, and music control. Other features: A Sense fuel efficiency, with its efficient engine, the RS 457 offers impressive mileage for a sport bike, around 20 to 22 km/L, 47 to 52 miles per gallon. A Sense build quality, premium materials and a high-quality finish ensure longevity and pride of ownership. A Sense customization options, a range of aftermarket parts, including exhaust systems, tank grips, and windscreen upgrades, are available.